everybody, and welcome to another general vlog video. Today's video is Colton's biggest accomplishment. That is him. He has been on that bike for maybe 30 seconds. Learning how to ride. Now he's not shifting gears right now. We're just trying to get him used to it and the balance. There goes Ricky on his dirt bike. We're going to let him about 5-10 minutes on it, and then we're going to teach him how to shift gears. Sorry about all the wind noise.
It's so freaking fun.
I know, it's easy, isn't it?
Yeah,
There goes Ricky. He was doing a wheelie. Colton's going faster. Uh-oh. Good job, Ricky. Now notice that Ricky's is a lot smaller than Colton's. Ricky got his only because it's got gears. He can shift, it's got a clutch. Colton's has got gears, but he doesn't have a clutch. They were both Ricky's bikes, and then Ricky just gave that one to Colton because he likes that little one. I know it should be the opposite way, right? Colton's doing really, really, really good. Oh, he's getting on it. He's getting on it. Oh, gotta love him. Now I know you guys may not understand why I post these videos, but my kids can watch these in another 25 years. Colton. Colton's surprised at how easy it was. Colton had a little bit of an accident about 2 or 3 years ago on a mini bike, and he got whiskey throttle and dropped it, and it didn't hurt him, but it tore the bike up pretty good. See what Colton's got to say. Huh? What do you want to say to all your YouTube fans?
I learned how to ride a dirt bike.
He learned how to ride a dirt bike. You're doing really, really, really exceptionally well, dude.
I can go fast.
I am so proud of you. Yeah, I seen you. Scared me a little bit.
Huh? Should I drive it? I missed it. Should I ride his dirt bike?
No, that's gears.
Yeah.
You're not ready for clutches yet.
Should I ride that? I want to go fast. I want to go fast.
Yeah, let him ride for a little bit. All right, he's going to go fast. He already said it. There he goes. There he goes. He's picking up some speed. Oh, he's going to cut through the trees. Nope, I thought he was.
Push my head all the way back.
Yep. Now you're not going that fast right now because you're not in a you're not in a taller gear.
You can go 4 times that fast. Can I ride that? Oh, let's go to rain stuff. Come on. Let me go. I just want to ride. All right, go. It's sad when you're not knowing that it's bigger.
That's true. That's true.
Oh, smoke that kid.
I think we ought to do a race between you and me. Oh, I'm starting to feel rain.
What if you accidentally shifted a gear down?
Huh?
What if you accidentally shifted down a gear? You're gonna fly.
I'll have to ride it a second to remember what the gear pattern is. me see if I can get him to stop. Colton! Film Ricky and I. We're going to race. I want to see if this thing will outrun his. Here, here.
Sorry, guys. I learned how to ride a dirt bike on the guys. Still comment down below. Who's better than me. I hope my dirt bike wins. Hi, you know. With them. Holy crap. This turns in the way. I'm sorry about that. My dad told me not to touch anything, so I can't swim. No longer riding my grandpa's four-wheeler now. Just going to board on my dirt bike. He has a little dirt bike, but still goes faster. I think my dad's trying to go in first. He keeps on trying. He won't give up. He's all good. Never give up, bro. Alright, here you go.
All right, Ricky, just faster than me.
Let me take that for a lap real quick.
Hey, man, let me get this thing off my hand. Nobody wants to see my hand. Okay, so here's the deal. They're both 110s, but considering Ricky's a lot lighter than me and Ricky has a clutch, he can smoke me.
Alright, let's switch. Come on, let me ride that real quick. No, just one lap. I just want to
Nah, just let him ride. It's getting ready to rain. No, I meant just...
Alright. My bike! Get it, my bike! Come on, one lap, go, 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 go!
He kind of just let his bike fall.
Fine.
And we've had no problem with it. Yeah. Now that's also the dirt bike, if you guys go back and watch the films earlier, that I completely redid for Ricky. Did a lot of welding on it, and so now it's all for Colton. Colton now has his very first dirt bike. Put him in second, Ricky.
No, I don't like it.
First, you'll blow it up. Got to keep it at least in second or third.
First? Yeah.
Oh, hurry up. It's raining.
All right, hurry up, Colin. Hurry up. Go. Go.
Here comes the rain.
Oh, look at
Let's see. You got him in first, Ricky. You got him in first. Huh? No. Here. Let's put you in. No. Stay on it. There. Now go. You ready to be done? Yeah, I'm ready to be done. Put it up there. Put it back behind Pawpaw's side by side. Oh, Ricky, help him.
I'm still riding. This is fun.
Okay. Well, I'm not. I'm getting below the tree. He's got to go in neutral.
Take it.
The rain is absolutely pouring down right now.
I don't care.
All right, put your kickstand down, dude. Woo! We're trying to beat this rain. I mean, it is coming in hard. Oh, goodness gracious. All right, there goes Ricky doing wheelies. He might be going to put it out. It is raining really. Wow, it's blowing. Oh man, that's cold. It's blowing me clear back to the, oh, I may have to go out there and save Colton. Colton is going to be soaked. I'm not going out there in it. Oh, he doesn't understand that it won't set up in gravel. Okay. I'm going to have to go save him. Okay, I can't take the camera out there. All right, I think that's about all we're going to do for today. Ricky just brought me his phone. And Colton's in here. He's getting dry.
This is fun.
Colton, there's some paper towels in here somewhere. You need to get dried. And I do mean it's pouring down.
It's gonna hurt my dad.
Shouldn't be able to get in there.
But I have to say that was the funniest experience in my life.
That was the funnest experience in your lifetime. Awesome. All right, so everybody, why don't you give this video a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
And please like the video, comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Smash that bell notification, go all the way up to the top and click all. And also share us on your social media groups. And speaking of which, follow us on Facebook at General Vlog Video. Colton, you got anything you'd like to say?
It's General Vlog Video. Have a great day, even better tomorrow, and an awesome night.
Man, I can't say it no better myself. You guys have an awesome time.